What's up, everybody? It's Natural Boss, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my own kind of lazy version of a DIY protein treatment. And so basically what I'm going to be using is the Green Beauty Real Protein, and this is just a bottle. This is nothing but protein. You can't even apply this to your hair without mixing it with something else. It's actually hydrolyzed wheat protein, which is the best kind of protein to use because it actually really penetrates your hair. And so I'll just read what it says on here. Derived from soft wheat, the Real Protein treatment's low molecular weight gives this I can hardly see gives it the ability to coat, patch up, and penetrate damaged cuticle layers. This customized formula nourishes and strengthens your hair from within. Proper treatment of your cuticles results in healthier, shinier, and fuller hair. And so this is what I wanted to do. My hair actually loves protein, and plus I'm going to be dyeing my hair soon, so I want to make sure it's in the best condition that it possibly can be in. So first, I already applied protein to the front of my hair, but I'm going to show you guys the back. But first, I'm going to show you guys how I mix this. Okay, so what you'll need is a measuring cup to measure the conditioner, a measuring tool. I use this kind of, I guess it's a flask because I wanted to do it in ounces, but you also could use a tablespoon. You'll also need something to stir it with. I just used a rubber spatula. And you'll need some kind of bowl or container to mix it in. I chose to use the Free and Clear hair conditioner for sensitive skin just because it's free of dyes, fragrance, and all that kind of stuff. You can really use any conditioner you want as long as it's not a protein conditioner. And then of course you'll need the Real Protein treatment to add to the conditioner. The instructions are on the back, and it goes by if your hair is low, medium, or high porosity, and also if you want to do a protein treatment or just a deep conditioning mask. So I started off by pouring the conditioner into the measuring cup, and it calls for a half of cup, which at first I thought wasn't going to be very much, but that's actually a lot of conditioner. And then you'll want to just pour the half a cup of conditioner into the bowl or container that you're going to mix it in. And then you want to measure out, depending on what your hair type, your hair porosity is. I use 3 ounces. Or 6 tablespoons. And as you can see, it's kind of a lot. And then you'll want to start mixing it together. And at first it's looking like it's not really going to mix and get smooth, but as you keep mixing, it'll start getting creamy. It seems like it's taking a long time, but really it only took a couple minutes to mix it enough to make it so that it has a creamy consistency. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I apply it to the back of my hair. Okay, so I did start off with freshly washed hair, and I just used a fragrance-free shampoo by Briogeo. My hair had got a little bit dry, and that's just why I'm spraying it with water. Also, my hair is not detangled, so you'll notice that I will be finger detangling my hair prior to and while I'm applying the conditioner. And normally with any kind of protein conditioner, I don't really recommend trying to detangle your hair with the treatment in your hair. However, I did notice with this mixture of the protein and the conditioner, it was soft enough where I could have used a detangling brush to detangle my hair, but I just chose the finger detangle it instead. One thing that I do want to mention as far as mixing the protein with conditioner, I highly recommend that you really follow the instructions on the back. And the reason is because I read a lot of reviews on this and people just tried to eyeball the measurements or, you know, just do whatever they felt that they wanted to do. And they ended up getting bad results. Like a lot of people were saying their hair was dry like straw and things like that. I don't know if it had anything to really do with that. I'm not sure, because I've never had that experience because I just followed the directions. But I'm just telling you that just to say follow the instructions on the back. Okay, so I sat with a plastic cap over my head for 45 minutes. If you were going to sit under the dryer, you only have to sit for 30 minutes. And then so I rinsed the protein treatment out of my hair. And my hair feels so soft and so strong at the same time. The difference, this is better than APHOGEE to me. The difference is that you don't have to go through that phase where you have this hard stuff in your hair and it's like just feeling really stiff. And then with APHOGEE, I don't know what everybody else's experience is, but just like they tell you in the instructions, you have to follow up with a moisturizing conditioner, and preferably the one that they have, or else your hair is just going to be so dry and it's probably going to break and defeat the whole purpose of why you did the protein treatment in the first place. As with this, since you're doing like 2 steps in one, and it only takes like 30 seconds to mix that protein with the conditioner of your choice. So it's really, to me, it's a lot faster. It's easier to apply. It's not as messy as the APHOGEE. And me, to be honest, it works better. I had used this like many years ago. I don't know why. I just put it on the back burner. I just forgot about it. I guess from being a product junkie, just trying all this other stuff, whatever. And I had just totally forgot about this. And so I just recently revisited it and remembered how, after doing this, how good it is. And for those of you who like to do DIY product or DIY projects and all that, I'm not really into that. I do this and I call it a lazy DIY because you're using a conditioner that's already made, but you're mixing the protein with it, making it into a protein conditioner. And she also has instructions on the bottle. If you don't want to do just a protein treatment, you can also you can mix it a different kind of way and make it into just a deep conditioner, which is really just using less of the protein and probably more conditioner. But you can do that also, and you can do that more often. For the protein treatment though, you probably don't want to do it once a month at the most. And I don't even know if I'm going to do it that much. But anyway, I'm going to be coloring my hair pretty soon, and so I wanted to do the protein treatment prior to that. So yeah, my hair feels really soft and just really healthy. And I'm going to for as far as the protein, I'm keeping this one in my regimen. I'm not trying any more protein treatments or anything like that. I like this one. It works, and this is what I'm going to do. I also wanted to tell you, also, I basically don't have it with me, but what I mixed up after using it on my hair, I still had I have enough left to use for another treatment. So when you're mixing it, you can either cut everything in half from what she's telling you, what the instructions say, or else you can mix it like I did and put it in something where you can put a lid over it. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I don't really know if you have to put it in the refrigerator or not when you mix like that. For the real protein, there is a shelf life, and if you keep it in the refrigerator, it lasts longer than if you just keep it on the shelf. I haven't kept mine in the refrigerator, but just since I mixed it with conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but anyway, that's just what I'm going to do. Anyway, I don't even want to call this a review because I used it before, but it's kind of just like a demonstration. I just wanted to really tell you guys about it because to me it's better than APHOGEE. And I know a lot of people use APHOGEE, and I've even recommended APHOGEE, but I changed my mind now. So I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you. If you have any questions, comment and let me know what those are. Real or Green Beauty is the name of the products. I think I'll put the website information in the description, but she has other products too. This is the protein treatment is the only one that I use though. And also she has a channel, I think it's just called Green Beauty, where she has a whole bunch of videos giving all kinds of tips and all kinds of stuff that you guys might be interested in. So I encourage you to check her YouTube channel out, and she also is on Instagram. So if you like this video, thumbs up, and if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.